Alright, so I went and got the Canon RF 16 millimeter 2.8 lens, and I got it because I needed a wide angle lens, and figured this one was within my budget. I paid $299 and some change for it, and so I'm going to do a little unboxing for you guys and tell you what I think right off the bat. So unboxing it, it comes with some paperwork stuff. Yeah, nobody cares about that. Comes in the typical black box that the RF mount lenses come in. So there's that. Bubble wrap. Kids will love that. Bubble wrap lens. Right off the bat, it looks just like the 50 millimeter, like identical to the 50 millimeter. It's pretty light. Comes with the lens cap. It's a pretty small front element. Comes with the typical rear cap, and it's got the control ring. I don't know if you can see that. It's got the control ring, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's got the switch on the side. A switch on the side to go from focus to control ring. And yeah, it's pretty small, pretty light, and yeah, I think I'm gonna like that. So, but it is like identical to the RF 50 millimeter 1.8. Actually, let me grab one back here. What do I do with it? Oh, there it is. So yeah, this is the 50 millimeter. This is the 16 millimeter, and they are literally identical physically. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's really no bells and whistles or anything spectacular about it. It's pretty small. It's going to go great on my Canon RP, and should be a pretty good lightweight combo for vlogging. That'll focus on that. Yeah. So yeah, this lens is supposed to be good for vlogging and landscape, as well as I think they said astrology or astronomy, astronomy. I don't know. But taking pictures of the stars. That's what it's supposed to be good for. But yeah, for so far, I mean, for the price, I don't think. I mean, even if it's not that great, you know, what could you ask for a $300 lens that's brand new and an RF mount? I've just been adapting everything over, like my 24-70, which isn't wide enough for what I want to do. I just use an adapter on my RP. I'm filming with it right now, but it's on the 6D Mark II. And but yeah, I'm excited to get this lens, and I'm gonna try it out and probably make another video. You know, do an actual product review instead of just an unboxing. But there you have it. That's the Canon RF 16mm 2.8.